What is cin.putback function? cin.putback is a function in the IOStream header file which is the part of C++ standard library. Putback lets you put the last character extracted from input stream by get function back into the input stream. What is the syntax? In the cin.putback statement, variable is the character variable. In the parentheses of the function is called argument or parameter. What is cin.peek function? cin.peek is a function in the IOStream header file which is the part of C++ standard library. The function peek looks into the input stream and tells you the next character without removing it from input stream. What is the syntax? cin.peek bracket close. Function peek is used in an assignment statement. It is not a standalone statement like get, ignore, and put back. The function peek has empty parentheses. Kindly watch the video to learn how to use cin.putback and cin.peek function in programming. It will help you fully understand the syntax and how each function works. The link is provided in the description.